So I found this design on Front-End Mentors, and it comes complete with the starter files and a creative brief. So we're gonna treat this like a real client project and build this entire thing out. I'm gonna show you how to build it in Editor X. Editor X is a powerful web creation platform that empowers pro designers and agencies to build beautiful, modern, responsive, and dynamic websites without needing to be or hire a professional developer. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do in Editor X is to pull in these colors from our design file. Now we're gonna bring in the font, which is called Commissioner, and we can find that on Google Fonts. We'll go ahead and download that font and then upload it right into Editor X.